Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm gonna be unboxing the Nintendo Switch Lite. Guys, first of all, I'm really sorry for not uploading too much of unboxing because as you guys know, because of the coronavirus everything's closed. That's why I couldn't watch it, but I got this online for my brother. It's a Nintendo Switch Lite. I think this is a special edition. This is a Zacian and Zamazante edition. This is, I think, some kind of Pokemon thing. This is the, as you guys know, Nintendo Switch Lite is the cheaper version of the Nintendo Switch actual. So that's why I have this over here. So let's just open it. First, I'm gonna tell you how much it costed me and how much, if this is worth it or not. So this is the box. As you guys can see, this is a special edition. That's why it has drawings on the back. And this is the box. It's a small cute box. And this costed me around 280 euro, 220 euros. I think that's $210, something like that. So let's see if this is worth it. You can play Pokemon or Fortnite, any kind of things. Nintendo is a really old brand, as a very well-known brand. How do you take this out? Sorry guys, I'm just only one-handed. That's why. So here's we have it. One thing you don't get in this thing is that the Joy-Cons cannot be separated because it's the cheaper version. That's why. So here we have it. It looks nice, as you can see. Let's put the box away and let's dig in the setup. I have already opened this. That's why it's a bit messed up, but I want it because I forgot to vlog. So this has a I don't know, I think this is a 5.6 inch, a 6-inch screen. It's a much smaller screen than the Nintendo Switch, the normal one. And we have first Nintendo Switch Lite over here. Let's get into the box. What else you have? What? Only a charger. That's it. You have this Nintendo Switch information guide. Nothing much because yeah, I don't know if you were expecting more. You cannot connect this to the TV screen. That's why it's also much cheaper, and you only get a charger and the console. So that's interesting. The colors on this one are, I think there are three colors: the turquoise, the yellow, and the black one. And this one is a special edition, so that's why this is like a gray and the drawing. Actually, this feels really nice. As you can see, these are the drawings. I think these are the speakers over here. We have a USB-C over here on the bottom. And you have the main controls that you have. You have your buttons and you have your top buttons. I'm not a big Nintendo Switch guy, so this is for my brother. This is your game card, your headphone jack. I think this is for the fan. This is for the cooling thing. You have your volume buttons over here. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see it. Yep, volume up and down, and the power one. You have some more screws. These are the buttons. You have the plus on here, plus and minus. You have a home button, and I think this is for screenshot and that. So for my look, this is my hand, guys. So if I put my hand on top, it's almost my hand size, so it's not that big because Nintendo Switch normal is big. You don't even have the switch, I mean the stand. As you can see, you cannot separate the Joy-Cons. They are fixed in the screen, so that's why. So let's turn it on. Let's see what you can do with this thing. Yep, so this is the button. So these are the games I have over here. Let's just go full brightness so you guys can see how these things work. This is a plastic screen though, so that's why. So it is quite bright, I'm not gonna lie. This is quite bright over here. As you can see over here, you can play Fortnite on it. I'm not gonna recommend this for Fortnite. You have some more games, Warface and many more games. This has 24 and 34 gigabytes of memory. You don't have much memory, you can put a memory card if you want. This is also a touch screen. As you guys can see, we have the time and the battery. You also have a YouTube over here. This is your gallery over here, album, whatever you want to say. So yeah. So this is basically it. I have played Fortnite on this thing, but it's not the best thing to play Fortnite. I mean, if you are gonna buy this for 200 bucks, you can buy a PS4, a refurbished PS4 or like an Xbox. So that's why I don't recommend you guys for people like my age, like teenagers. If you want, this is for compatibility. This is really nice. I can take this anywhere I want. So that's a really a nice thing on this thing, on the Nintendo Switch Lites. And the battery life is also good. And let's see the charger. Sorry guys, my packing is I put it one more time in the back. So this is a Type C charger, as you can see. So that's nice. So you have your charger. This is a, how do you say, I think this is a 10 volts charger, not the best one, but it's okay. So you have the charger on your Nintendo Switch Lite. So this is basically a tablet. So I don't know guys, I don't know what to say about this thing. This is a nice thing, a compatible thing. I can have it with me all the time. So that's nice. And yeah, so this is my video. If you guys like the video, please give a big thumbs up and like and subscribe. Please tell me what to do with this thing if you want to see a Fortnite gameplay or something like that. I really love these drawings over back over here. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more of these things, and we will be back with another video. So yeah, as you can see, Fortnite loading. So guys, I'm just gonna leave this video for today. If you guys like the video, please give a big thumbs up and like and subscribe and share this video. If you guys want to see anything else, let me know. And guys, I've just created a new gaming channel. It's called AK Warrior underscore PK. It's gonna be in the link in the description. So let me know if you guys want to see some gamings. I'm uploading some Fortnite over there. So yep. So guys, bye bye guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.